We have officially landed in Rio.
Life up in the fast lane. I ain't got no time to waste on you. I ain't got no time to get attached, babe. Oh no. Money on the line, been on the move. Life up in the fast lane. Bentley coupe got stars up on the roof.
All right, y'all, we are staying at the Grand Hyatt Rio de Janeiro. As you can see it behind me, and then right in front of it is the beach. Now, the beach right in front of it is called Barra de Huaca. It's around 20 minutes away from Copacabana, which is the main area of Rio, the more popular area. As you can tell, the beach is not crazy busy. But they do give you chairs and umbrellas out here from the hotel. So let me show you around the hotel. This is where I'm staying for a couple of nights. They ended up upgrading me into a Diplomat Suite, so I'll be able to show you guys that. But let me show you what is going on with the property. So far, I really enjoy it, so let's show you around. Now I'll also flash up some photos from last night when I ate here and had, I think I had tuna tartare and some caprianas. They ended up giving me a couple of drinks on the house when I checked in. Here is a nice little view of Cantu. This is the outdoor space that I'm hanging out in, and then I'll show you guys the inside as well. And I'll also show you guys the menu just so you see kind of the prices on here. Now, as you can see, one of the restaurants, Cantu, is right outside. You can eat food and enjoy the weather. And then there's also a restaurant right here called Tano, but this is really just the breakfast. This is what they told me at the front desk. They have a breakfast buffet in there. It's a nice little spot to grab some food in the morning. But the pool area is really nice. Multiple different pools, multiple relaxation spots, cabanas you can sit in as well, chairs in the water. Just a really, really good vibe. I actually super enjoy this property. One of my favorite properties I've been to, and it doesn't hurt that we are in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Unfortunately, we don't get the greatest sun, the typical Brazilian summer weather. It's been cloudy and a little bit rainy, but you can't complain with all this. So the gym is downstairs along with the spa. And right when you take a, right or left, there is this random building over here. Which I'm not too sure exactly what that is, but if you go down this area, adjacent to the pool, that is the other restaurant on site called Shiso, which is a Japanese restaurant, and you need to make reservations, so it seems pretty good. Down there is elevators. And then I will take you up to the second floor, which is where a lot of the meeting rooms, business rooms, things of that sort. And there's a couple of good views of the river, I believe, or whatever, lagoon over here. So that is the business center area. Out here you have a nice view of the lagoon. In the front you have the beach. In the back you have the lagoon. So, and then I'll just show you some of the other floors. I'll show you the club lounge, which I was in this morning for breakfast as well. And then of course, the Diplomat Suite, which is what they ended up putting me in. And I will show you guys the Diplomat Suite, what the view looks like from up there. And that'll kind of conclude really the review of the Hyatt, Grand Hyatt, here in Buenos Aires. All right, y'all, Grand Hyatt, Rio de Janeiro. This is the only Hyatt in the country, but we are gonna show you the room tour. They ended up putting me in the Diplomat Suite. I'm on the 5th floor, room 582. So if you come here and stay here, this is likely the room that you will get. They upgraded me to the Diplomat Suite. I ended up just booking a normal king. So let's show you guys this incredible redemption, incredible stay, and beautiful view here at the Grand Hyatt, Rio de Janeiro. We have right away an extra bathroom. They have a nice little handheld bidet. Now, when you walk over here, we have a full kitchen, a dining room table, a full kitchen. Right after I checked in, they ended up hand delivering me a note, some chocolates, which I've already dove into a little bit, and a full bottle of champagne that they got me, which is always nice. That is just what Hyatt does. They are my favorite hotel brand for a reason. But we have, right, a full kitchen essentially here. They did not have any silverware, but we have a Nespresso machine. I really like the add of the Nespresso machines. I've noticed that in quite a few of the hotels, and they have like a full fridge in here. Full fridge, almost like a maid's kitchen, an extra kitchen over here. And then voila, the main living room. Now, yes, I would agree some of the side paneling is a little bit dated, and it looks a little bit older, but to me, I mean, this is incredible. The Diplomat Suite is sweet. That is the main living area. This is where I will be working for the week. We have a desk right here. Now look at that. And of course, we got to show you guys the beautiful view and full wrap-around porch. Look at that. Full wrap-around porch. We have the pool down below. And you can't go wrong with this. Unfortunately, we're not getting the sunny Brazilian weather, but the full wraparound, my bedroom is actually right here. Full wraparound, the rest of the hotel, and the pool. Look at that. Look at that. You cannot complain about a full wraparound porch. Views of the ocean right in front, the pools, and then actually on the backside is a lagoon. So even this goes over here from the kitchen, and you have a little bit view of the lagoon. So absolutely beautiful. What a great suite. I believe this is going for $1,000 to $1,200 a night right now, and I ended up booking a king room. So let's bring you into the master bedroom. Now right here, we have the closets, the closet space. They even give you a pair of like a couple pairs of sandals if you want. And I really love natural light, so I love all the windows. Now this is the master. Look at that, guys. Nice TV with the wraparound porch. We have a little spot here if you want to hang out. Boom. Nice vibes of the master. This you can pull across with the mirror, as here we are. Woo! And then the beautiful bathroom. Really cool. Full tub with a TV, which is really nice. So this seems like it was updated. If you guys are curious on what they have, Sabonete Carioca is the branding here. Then we have the shower. Really nice. And then, of course, the full bathroom with the bidet. Very nice. And I actually just showered in that shower. I'm not going to lie. It was incredible. The overtop shower is really nice. In here, it is, you can tell it's a little bit dated. But me, I have no problem with it. The Diplomat Suite so far is going to be a fantastic stay for the next 2 nights. And one thing to take note of, I was actually a little nervous that I might not get an upgrade with the globalist status, but one thing to take note in South America, if you do have status with Hyatt, either way, you're going to get a really good deal utilizing points. That's what I did. I utilized points. I had a free night award, and I utilized points for a second night. But there's not many Hyatts. So if other people are staying here, you're likely not going to have many other people that have status. So this room right here, the Diplomat, is one step below essentially the penthouse suite. And if you want to know where the penthouse suite is, I pretty much figured it out. It's all the way at the top, right over there, because I can see it has its own pool / hot tub up there. Right up there. So it's the top floor over there. So if you have Hyatt status in South America specifically, you're likely going to get really upgraded because not many other people have status in these countries. So for me, I'm extremely happy with this. This makes me pumped with the value that I'm getting with this, the Diplomat Suite. about 1,000 to 1,200 bucks a night in a beautiful view. Hopefully the sun comes out tomorrow, but it looks like we're gonna have rain and clouds. But you cannot complain about this.
Life up in the fast lane. I ain't got no time to waste on you. I ain't got no time to get attached, babe. Oh no. Money on the line, been on the move. Life up in the fast lane.